Rob with the Doctor's Toy Store. If you're looking to generate some alternative source of revenue, since the reimbursements are less and less, liposuction is where it's at. I need it, you probably need it. A few of these guys over here need it, and a few of the guys over there already had it, or they may need it. Most of us are plain fat. Liposuction is a cash surgery. A lot of people are taught to do liposuction. No one is born and comes out and does lipo. Everyone's taught, and we do have training seminars, places you can go to learn how to do liposuction. I highly recommend Vasers. Vasers basically go in and they shake the fat off of the grapes. That's the best way to understand it. The vines being the vascular system where the blood flows. This leaves the vascular system intact. And we also have, for people like me, you can't Vaser me. I would need to be, first of all, I would need to be power assisted lipo. It's not ultrasound, it's power assisted. It just goes in like a suction and it sucks everything out. And that's called debulking someone, okay? You want to debulk people first, and then you can bring them back for Vaser, which is carving and etching, and you can do six-pack abs, whatever you want to do. There are doctors that bill as high as $75,000 for high definition Vaser. It's very attractive, it's very popular, and fat's not going away. Fat is more and more every day, we see it. And so I would seriously suggest liposuction. Call the office at 877 DRS Toys at the Doctor's Toy Store, and we'll try to get you some training. We'll try to get you set up with the best system for your office so you can start off and finally generate some revenue. Call 877 DRS Toys today.